Today, I'm going to be going over checkout validation for POS checkout. This is an exciting feature that a lot of large merchants have been waiting for in order to make sure that staff at the POS are capturing information required for marketing or any other purpose at the POS. And this feature was released March 29th, and let's dive right in. So we're going to start in the Shopify admin. I'm going to show you exactly where to go to find this feature, and then we'll see it in action in the POS app on the right side. So starting, this feature is under the sales channel, point of sale, settings. Then we can scroll down. It will be found under checkout. It's called required checkout information. So in this section, we can see there are three different options for the customer details. We can choose to not require it, recommend it, or require that field. In this case, I've chosen recommended for first name and last name, and I've chosen required for my email, as this is the most important piece that I want my staff to collect in order for me to be able to connect with my customer in the future. And then you also get this really nice banner telling you that the checkout will be blocked if you don't have an email. We also have requirements for staff attribution. So this is great for giving proper credit to the staff on the floor selling. And then lastly, it does flag that it is for all POS Pro locations, and this cannot be changed at the moment. Once the settings are saved, then it will appear in the POS this way. Let's take a look. So in the POS app, I've added products to the cart. I'm going to go ahead and check out. Right away, very straightforward. You get this page saying there's missing information in the cart. There's requirements. You can see for the customer, it is showing up as required. This is because at least one field is required. So once we click in, we can see the first name is recommended and the last name as well, as we had set up in the settings, and then the email address is required. The rest is the standard customer form. And then there's also the option here to attribute sale to staff. This is the standard attribution as well. It's just asking me which product and who sold that product in the cart. And that's it. That's the feature for required checkout information.